The following tutorial describes the latest improvements in the cloud-powered CEREC workflow. Let's begin. Here's what's new in this release. Simplified access to start a CEREC treatment from multiple entry points, new contrast modes for better visualization, contact points active by default, margin strength parameters simplified, design enhancements including quick tool access and smart contact adjustments, presets for design parameters, and finally manufacturing job status in Workflow Assistant. Now let's explore these improvements step by step. Starting CEREC on DS Core is conveniently available from multiple entry points, from the media library or via the three-dot menu of any scan file. You can also start it directly from the DI viewer. If you open a scan from outside a treatment, a dialog box will appear asking you to enter the necessary treatment information before continuing. This flexibility saves time and allows you to start designing right away. Once you've opened your scan, let's look at the new visualization options available in the viewer and throughout the workflow. Visualization is key when working on margins and fine details. DS Core now offers 3 appearance modes in the DI viewer and in CEREC on DS Core: high contrast, realistic, or grayscale. The default setting is high contrast, but you can switch modes anytime. These options help you see edges clearly when drawing the margin line and improve accuracy during design tasks. With visualization optimized, let's look at updates in material selection and parameters. In the material and parameter step, margin strength has been simplified. It's now labeled using t-shirt sizes: small, medium, large, with small as the default. This makes parameter selection more intuitive and user-friendly. After setting materials and parameters, you're ready to create the design. Here's what's new in the design phase. When you click Create Design, a new design screen appears while the restoration is being calculated. Once the design is ready, you can start the manual adjustment process using several new tools and improvements. Quick access via right-click. Right-click to open frequently used tools like Add, Remove, or Smooth Form and Shape. This shortcut allows to switch between them quickly. In the workflow bar, we have added a new function, Adjusted Contact Tool. With one click, you can reduce strong distal, occlusal, or mesial contacts to a light or medium level. New visuals for restoration parameters. Clear images help you understand each setting at a glance. Presets for design parameters. Once you adjust parameters, DS Core automatically saves them for your next case. These updates make the manual design process more efficient and intuitive. With your design complete, let's finish the workflow with manufacturing updates. In the manufacturing step, the Workflow Assistant now displays the status of the manufacturing job. This added transparency helps you track progress and manage your cases more effectively. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.